Did you know that duck meat is one of the most flavorful types of poultry? Let's see if I can nail that authentic flavor. Let's begin. First, rub the plucked duck with turmeric powder. After that, flame it to remove any unplucked feathers and cut the meat into desired pieces. Soak the part in water for at least an hour, then apply mud to the bottom side of the part. This will ensure that heat spreads evenly inside and that there is no crack in it. Let's gather the ingredients. We will need onion, garlic, ginger, and some green chilies. For spices, we require the powders of turmeric, cumin, coriander, and red chili. Additionally, we will need a few pieces of cinnamon, cardamom, and bay leaves. For exact measurements, please check the description. We will use the blender to combine ginger and garlic into a paste. I think duck requires patience and precise cooking to avoid overcooking or undercooking. The key is to cook it low and slow for tender and juicy results. Today, we'll tackle that challenge and aim for a perfect duck recipe. We mix everything now. First, the paste we made. Salt, turmeric powder, cumin seeds powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, cinnamon and cardamom, bay leaves, some green chilies, couple of whole garlic. These will add some extra flavor to the dish. Oh snap, I forgot to add the sliced onions. Let's add them now. We need to mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for 30 minutes. We will use flour and a small amount of water to create a seal for covering the lid of the clay pot. Most of the work is now done. Let's start cooking. The duck has a lot of fat, so we will use a very small amount of cooking oil. Remember, this will vary for each duck. Let the oil warm up. Now, we put the mixture into the pot. If you're enjoying this content, why not subscribe to my channel for more like it? We will apply the flour seal we prepared earlier around the rim of the pot, making sure it covers the entire circumference. We place the lid on the pot and seal it like this using the flour seal. Lit the burner and cook for 3 hours at medium-low flame. As we near the end of the recipe, I want to remind you to be patient and take your time when cooking the duck. It's not a dish that can be rushed, and it requires a lot of care and attention. But trust me, the end result is worth it. The duck turns out tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Here's the duck drill. Marinate like a pro, sear like a boss, and cook it low and slow. The clay part, spices, and patience work magic, delivering flavors so good they'll have you wondering, is this duck's been blessed by the flavor gods?